Several health groups in Columbia are talking about getting the coronavirus vaccine to the Black community. Thanks for joining us tonight at 9. I'm Deborah Kendrick.
And I'm Lucas Geisler. ABC 17's Sydney Olson is live at the Columbia Boone County Health Department. Sydney, the department hosted an online forum with Black health leaders to discuss the safety of the vaccine.
Deb, Lucas, we told you earlier this month about vaccine hesitancy in racial minorities and how local leaders plan to take it on. I sat in on tonight's forum where people had a wide range of questions. I also spoke with the president of the Columbia NAACP, who says the chapter reached out to the health department after getting questions from people in the community. As more and more people in Boone County are getting the vaccine, some people in the Black community have concerns about its safety. A history of systematic racism in medicine has led to distrust, and the speed at which the coronavirus vaccine was created is not helping. Mary Ratliff with the NAACP says she heard instances of this firsthand.
And there's been other places that they felt like sometimes that, and listen, that we've been guinea pigs and they didn't want to. And that's why when the vaccine came out, they were going, no, we're not going to get it at first,
Tonight, the panel of nurses, doctors, and more addressed concerns just like that.
And you have to keep in mind that even though this vaccine was made quickly, the science behind it has been there since for 10 plus years. I mean, way back when they had the very first SARS, virus, way back when they had the SARS epidemic in the Middle East, and then they had the MERS, people were already working on these vaccines.
Panelists shared whether they had gotten the vaccine or not and whether they had any hesitations themselves. They provided candid answers and were split for many different reasons. They also spoke about their experiences working in the field during the pandemic, hoping to provide some context on the danger of the virus and the importance of understanding how the vaccine works before making the decision whether or not to get it.
When COVID first came around in the ICU, many of the patients that I saw were all African Americans. They were all African Americans, and that really hit home for me.
The panel also said tonight was the first of many forums, so if you didn't get a chance to participate, you will have another chance at a later date. Reporting live in Columbia, Sydney Olson, ABC 17 News.
In a survey at the end of the forum, 83% of those who answered said they would get the vaccine, 7% said they would not, and 10% said they weren't sure.